I used to spend hours every week doing B2B cold outreach, finding leads, writing emails, following up, updating spreadsheets. Now, I have one AI agent doing all of it for me automatically. And the crazy part is, I set it up in about 5 minutes using
SureThing.
Most AI tools today are basically chatbots. You ask something, they answer, then they forget everything. But running a business doesn't work like that. You need systems that remember your workflows, understand your business context, execute tasks, and actually operate like a digital employee. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I built an AI sales operator that finds qualified leads, researches them, writes personalized outreach, follows up automatically, and organizes everything for me, all from a single dashboard. Alright, so here's the setup inside SureThing. I'm creating a new AI agent for B2B outreach. Instead of manually building workflows with 20 tools, I can literally just describe what I want. Now I'll give a context about my business. This part is important because SureThing actually remembers your business, so the outreach becomes more personalized over time instead of generic AI spam. Watch this, it's pulling qualified prospects automatically, not random scraped emails, actual relevant businesses. And what's cool is, it's researching them before writing anything. So instead of, hey, wanna hop on a call? It's creating personalized messages based on what they're actually talking about. And this is where things started getting really interesting. The AI is now generating full outbound sequences automatically, not just one generic email, actual personalized outreach. And honestly, this already sounds better than 90% of cold emails I get every single week. Hey name, noticed your team is scaling outbound aggressively, but your follow-up process still looks heavily manual. See that? It's specific, it sounds human, and most importantly, it sounds relevant. It's pulling context from the company, the role, and even the type of growth they're focused on. That's the difference between spam and outreach that actually gets replies. And it doesn't stop at one message either. It creates entire sequences. First touch, follow-up, re-engagement, even different tones depending on the lead. Most people still waste hours rewriting the same cold emails over and over again. But this is basically doing it in seconds. And the scary part, I'd actually send these. But this is probably the biggest feature for me. The AI tracks conversations automatically and schedules follow-ups on its own. So instead of manually checking spreadsheets, opening CRMs, setting reminders, trying to remember who replied, the system handles it in the background. And this is where you realize, SureThing isn't just helping with outreach, it's replacing the operational busywork that normally kills momentum. Because the hardest part about sales usually isn't finding leads, it's consistency. Following up at the right time, sending the right message, keeping conversations alive. And most people fail there because it becomes impossible to manage manually at scale. But this AI basically acts like a full-time sales assistant working 24/7. If somebody opens an email, clicks a link, doesn't reply after 3 days, the system already knows what to do next. That's honestly kind of insane. After using this for a few days, the biggest difference honestly wasn't just saving time, it was removing friction. Most people already know what they should be doing for outreach. Prospect daily, follow up consistently, track conversations, stay organized. If you want to try building your own AI business operator, check out SureThing below. I'll put my link in the description and pinned comment with the discount code. And if you want more videos like this, like automating LinkedIn, content creation, email management, or lead gen with AI, subscribe because I'm turning this into a full series.